Hello, Merritt. I'm having a 30% win rate with positive expectancy. Should I be more selective going forward? It's a great question. First of all, congratulations um, on the positive expectancy. Without truly looking over what you're doing, I can't say for sure. I think the safest answer I could give you was that there's all kinds of people out there with 30% win rates with positive expectancy. You know, most of your trend following, which I'm guessing you'd fall into the category of, maybe, um, people who are looking for bigger risk reward, those kind of things, you're going to lower that win percent. But if your read on risk reward and your trade management to achieve risk reward and your mental framework to allow you to hold and achieve big risk reward is all in place, you're golden. You're good. Does that mean that you can't improve win rate by tagging your trades, looking at what's working best, and where maybe there is a leaky faucet or whatnot, draining on the P&L? Absolutely. You could still analyze that stuff without revamping your system to try and get to a 50% win rate. That's not important. The positive expectancy is most important, and it's a combination of win percent, which can be low, and risk reward, which would need to be high to achieve for the lower win percent. So it's fine to be that way. If it really, really, really bugs you and you have a hard time sleeping at night with a 30% win rate, then problems could start to creep into your trading as you try and falsely manipulate your win percent because you're uncomfortable with it. I always discourage people from kind of this reverse engineering your trade decision at times. Like you use, in fact, I went through a terrible stage in my trading long time ago where I really got into stats. I don't even know if TraderView existed yet. I was just had all these custom spreadsheets I was working with and whatnot. And I kid you not, I spent an hour a day on my spreadsheet, an hour a day, updating it, analyzing it, all that stuff. And I started to make my trading more about trying to conform to stats rather than conform to a process in which the stats could reflect things about the trading, right? There's a fine line between making trade decisions to manipulate stats versus making trading decisions to do something better, to look for improvements in the stats. Be careful with that. So anyways, I can't the ultimate answer is I can't say for sure. If you're cool with the 30% win rate, or you're going to continue to look for ways to improve, that's great. Keep chugging along. I think there's no problems. It's not a death sentence to have a 30% win rate. I think it's a death sentence to depend on less than 1-to-1 when it comes to risk reward. And guys, risk reward, I know we say risk first, but the ratio is reward to risk. But don't say reward to risk. It's risk reward, and you use the inverse of that for the ratio. Welcome to real trader land. That's how it's done. Get it right.